Hey, what's up, witches and wizards? It is Malik Work, and I am here to help you in the world, the magical world of Harry Potter. I am here to help you increase the power and the effectiveness of your magical spells. Okay? We're going to keep this real simple. There are three superpowers, inner powers that we all have that we have to develop and use to the best of our abilities to increase the power of our magical spells. And those superpowers are rhythm, rhyme, and gesture. Okay? Now, what's rhythm? Rhythm is something, some people say they don't have it, some people say, oh, I have great rhythm, whatever. Everybody has rhythm. Because you know where our rhythm starts? It starts in the heart. Boom, 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 boom. And a rhythm is really anything you can repeat. And then that feeling of repetition and that pattern that you get into is rhythm. All right? So if you recite your magical spells with rhythm, they increase in power and your magic will be more effective. Okay, so there's rhythm and then rhyme. And rhyme is a form of rhythm. It is repeating something, it's repeating a certain sound. So if I say the word sound, another sound that sounds like sound is down, or around, or brown, or clown, or hound, or uptown. I could do this all day because I love to rhyme, all right? So we have the superpowers of rhythm, rhyme, and gesture. Now, a gesture is a movement, okay? A gesture can be like, or a gesture could 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 be like, all right? It's a quick movement and it expresses some sort of physical thought. Let's call it that. So rhythm, rhyme, and gesture. Now, I heard there is a water making spell, and the effective part of the water making spell is aguamenti. So I'm going to tell you something about rhyme. You start with the important word and you go backwards. So you know we're going to end our spell with aguamenti. We're going to need a word so we can form a rhyming couplet that rhymes with aguamenti. Okay? So how many words can we think that rhyme with aguamenti? Sorry, it's hard to say sometimes. There's plenty, there's friendly, there's 20, there's testy, there's zesty, there's bestie, there's frenzy. Ooh, you know what one I like? I like empty, because empty has a little bit of connection that I'm planning to make with aguamenti and water, okay? Because you have waters can fill a cup, or if there's no water in the cup, that cup is empty. So I can put a rhythmic rhyme together to make my spell. I need water. My cup is empty. Fill it up now. Aguamenti! Okay? You see that rhyme? And then I can really lean into it with the rhythm. I need water. My cup is empty. Fill it up. Aguamenti! So I used rhythm, I used rhyme, and at the end I came with the gesture. And I increased the power of your magic spells.